Hi guys, right, I'm going to do another spinning purple today. Hope you're all doing well. My colours are Decoart Extreme Sheen Emerald mixed with Aquamarine, mainly because I didn't have enough emerald, but they make a nice colour together. I'll show you in a minute. Decoart Dazzling Metallics in Copper, Extreme Sheen Amethyst, Extreme Sheen Berry mixed with Pearl Medium because I wanted a more of a pinky shade, and Decoart 24K. This is the colour of the emerald and the aquamarine together. It is still quite green. I thought it might be a little bit bluer, but it's gorgeous. Now what I've done to make sure they're all the same consistency, I hold it up high and wait until it stops dripping. When it starts to, you see how it stops and then starts to break? I'll do that again. I think I was out of shot. See the stream at the moment, and then it starts to stop. I make sure each one is the same count. I just count, don't count seconds, I just count 1, 2, 3, and when they're all the same, then I know it's the same consistency. This is the berry and the pearl medium. The colour it gets, nice colour. Right, and my base is just this is just acrylic paint, black and a primary blue mixed together. Nothing special paint, just paint that I've got from Lincraft, Makr they make. No idea how you pronounce it. Makr, I don't know, but that's my consistency is thin because I'm hoping to get the crazy cells again. And I'm using a large 24-inch hexagonal canvas because what I'm hoping for is it not to go over the edge. So I'm going to put some of my base, my blue black, around the edge. Then I'll put my metallic puddle in the center, pour the rest of it on, spin it, and I'm hoping that it doesn't go to the edge. I'm hoping I'll get it to the design there. So we'll see how we go. Let's get messy.
Find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. That too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
It's like a crazy garden. Oh, so excited. As you could see, I fiddled around with the middle. It did fill straight into the middle, but they were sort of large pink cells, so that's why I kept fiddling to add other colours in. I don't think it was looking right until I put the green in. I think it looks a lot more cohesive now. The way the colours have blended though, it's just so pretty. And I definitely won't be putting anything over the top of this, embellishing this. I just think it stands alone, doesn't need anything else. When this is varnished, it's going to be really pretty. It's so hard to catch the metallics. Look at all those colours there. So with me saying I only wanted it in the centre, I put way too much paint on for the metallics. So I might try again for what I was aiming for, but I love this anyway. All the colours there in the amethyst. Gosh, it is pretty. Oh, I've got to make sure I cover this tightly with a box, put it to bed, tuck it in so it dries lovely. As you can't get over the cells, how multicoloured they are. You'd certainly never know there was that blacky blue poured over the top. Totally sunk, but that's good because it's giving all these effects. Very happy. It's a 24-inch canvas. Very hard to get it in. Okay then guys, so take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, please like, share and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and click the notification bell so that you know when I upload another video. Okay then, see you soon, bye.